Hey everyone, welcome back to Warren's Money Buffet, your go-to channel for smart, actionable investing and retirement tips. I'm Warren, and today we're breaking down a classic personal finance question. Should you max out your 401k first or open an IRA first? Before we dive in, remember, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor, so always do your own research or consult a pro before making big money moves. Here's what we're covering today. First, we'll walk through the classic order for building your retirement savings. Then, I'll show you why starting with your 401k match is so important. Next, we'll talk about the benefits of opening an IRA and when it makes sense to prioritize it. We'll compare 401ks and IRAs side by side and cover some special considerations like the Backdoor Roth IRA strategy. I'll give you real-world example scenarios, key takeaways, and resources to help you take your next steps. Stick around to the end for my pro tips and your chance to join the conversation. Let's start with the big picture. The smartest order for building your retirement savings usually goes like this. First, contribute to your 401k, up to your employer's match, because that's free money. Next, open and max out an IRA for more investment flexibility and potential tax advantages. Then, if you can still save more, go back and increase your 401k contributions up to the yearly limit. And if you're a super saver, invest extra in taxable accounts for even more growth opportunities. Here's how the flowchart works. Step 1. Secure the full employer match in your 401k. Step 2. Max out your IRA. Roth or traditional, depending on what you qualify for. Step 3. Boost your 401k contributions up to the annual limit. Step 4. If you're still saving, open a taxable brokerage account for extra investing flexibility. This approach helps you maximize free money, tax benefits, and investment choices. Why is the 401k match so important? Employer contributions are literally free money that instantly boosts your savings. Your 401k contributions are pre-tax, which lowers your taxable income now. And payroll deductions make saving automatic and effortless. Never leave that match on the table. Once you've grabbed the match, it's time to look at IRAs. IRAs usually offer more investment choices than your 401k plan. They often have lower fees and more flexibility for withdrawals. Roth IRAs give you tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement, if you qualify. Traditional IRAs may offer upfront tax deductions, but keep in mind the income limits if you're already contributing to a 401k. But what if your 401k is really good? If your 401k has low fees and strong investment options, it might make sense to max it out before opening an IRA. If you're a high earner and can't contribute to a Roth IRA, your 401k lets you keep saving for retirement and lowers your taxable income even more. This is a great way to maximize your pre-tax contributions and tax savings. On the flip side, if your 401k has high fees or poor investment choices, consider prioritizing an IRA after you get the match. IRAs give you more control and access to a wider range of funds, ETFs, and stocks. If you're eligible, Roth IRAs are a powerful tool for tax-free growth. And if you're a high earner, using a backdoor Roth IRA strategy can help you get around income limits for Roth contributions. Let's do a quick side-by-side. 401ks offer higher contribution limits and employer matches, but you're limited to the plan's investment menu and may pay higher fees. IRAs have lower limits but give you more investment flexibility and usually lower costs. The best strategy? Use both to your advantage. A few special considerations. Contributing to a Roth IRA now can hedge against higher taxes in the future by locking in tax-free growth. High earners can use the backdoor Roth IRA strategy to convert traditional IRA funds to Roth, avoiding income restrictions. And always review your 401k plan's fees and investment options before deciding where to prioritize your savings. Let's look at two examples. If you have a great 401k with low fees and strong funds, maxing it out first makes sense. But if your 401k is mediocre or expensive, contribute just enough to get the match, then max out an IRA before going back to the 401k. It's all about making your money work as efficiently as possible. Here are the big takeaways. Always get your full 401k match first. It's free money. Max out an IRA next for more flexibility and tax advantages. If you can save more, return to your 401k to hit the annual limit. And regularly review your plan's fees and investment options to keep your strategy sharp. Want to learn more? Check out the RR Personal Finance Wiki for detailed retirement flow charts and saving strategies. Compare your 401k, plans fees, and investment options to make sure you're getting the best deal. And consider talking to a financial advisor for personalized retirement planning. Thanks for watching Warren's Money Buffet. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more expert retirement and investing tips. Comment below. What's your retirement savings strategy? Do you prioritize your 401k, your IRA, or both? And remember, always review your 401k plan's fees, investment options, and your income level before deciding your savings order. Stay tuned for more updates to help you optimize your retirement plan and financial future.
Thank you for joining us. We hope you found valuable insights to enhance your retirement planning and financial future. Stay engaged and informed for continued success.